combine videos on a Mac, right-click on one of your video files and click Open With and then QuickTime Player from the menu. Move your cursor to the top of the screen and click Edit and then Add Clip to End from the drop-down menu. This opens a pop-up which allows you to choose another video from your files to add on to the end. Once you click on the video you'd like to add, it will appear in the video timeline, highlighted in yellow at the end. If you like, you can reorder the clips at this point to put your new video at the beginning instead. When you see that the video is in the right place, click the blue Done button in the bottom right corner of your screen, or just hit Return on your keyboard. You can repeat this process to link more videos together if you like. Once you're happy with your arrangement, move the cursor to the top of the screen and click File and then Export As from the drop-down menu, and click the quality of the video you'd like to export. I'll export mine in the highest quality available to me, 1080p, but you might not need to. This opens a pop-up window which allows you to give the combined video a new name and location. I'm going to call mine video_combined and choose my videos folder as the location. And there you have it. 3 video clips combined into one and renamed in the videos folder. Happy editing.